In this video, I'd like to share with you a simple exercise that's good for circulation in the middle body, the back, and the core muscles. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine, and Qigong instructor. There are many different types of exercises that are good to do at different times of the day. Some practices are great to do in the morning to wake up the body. Other practices are better at the evening to let your body settle down so you can sleep peacefully. This exercise is good to practice in the middle of the day if you've been sitting for too long or you're feeling a little tight and stagnant and you want to invigorate the body. So the exercise is called rolling the hands backwards. Now there's a lot of different variations of the name, but the idea is basically the same. We're rolling the hands. Now, this is part of many different Qigong practices, and the details are a little bit different, and I'll show you some ideas that you can practice and play with right now. And towards the end, we'll do a little bit of a routine, just a short routine, just to get the body flowing, get the Qi moving and feeling good. So you can practice rolling the hands backwards while you're standing or when you're sitting. But if you're sitting, you're going to need a chair with maybe no arms or enough room that you can reach around. But if you're standing, make sure you take a nice, good, solid stance. Make sure your weight feels like it's grounded down into the earth. Make sure you feel like you're letting your weight sink down rather than feeling like you're standing too upright. This doesn't necessarily mean we have to stand really low and put a lot of pressure on the muscles, but it just means we want that feeling of sinking down. When we have that feeling of sinking, then we create some stability in the lower body. So you can go ahead and practice along. So create that stability, sink the weight down, soften the body, but create strength. Now with one hand, reach it up in front of you, palm facing up. With the other hand, circle it back around, reach around as far as it's comfortable, bend at the elbows, point the fingers forward, and push the fingers forward so you have two hands over top of each other, like a little sandwich. Now with the other hand on the bottom, reach it backwards, reach around, turn the hand up, push forward. Probably a little bit easier to do than it is to describe. So basically you're making two circles with your hands. You're reaching back, turning the palm up, little sandwich. Reach around, push the hand back. Reach around, push the hand. Okay, so that's the basic exercise. So now because this is Qigong practice, we have gentle movement, we have deep breathing, and we have intention. So this is the gentle movement. The breathing, when the hand comes down, we can breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, and breathe out. Okay, so a couple little details here. Now I was talking about letting your weight sink down. So we want to do that so that we can keep stable in our body and in our core. So this essentially, we're turning at the waist. See, we're turning at the waist here. The lower body stays relatively stable and we're turning at the waist. So we're not trying to twist too far and lose our balance or else we'll fall over and hit the tree. We want to keep our balance. So at first, maybe you can't twist very far and that's okay. So just work with what you can do. So when you're reaching back, turning at the waist. So sometimes you might feel like you need to sink down a little bit further. Turn at the waist and then push forward. Turn at the waist, push forward. Now again, only go as far as you can. If you're really stiff, perhaps when you first start this, you can't turn very far, particularly if you're tight in the hips or in the low back. Now another detail here is as the hand is coming back, we want to make sure that this hand is strong here. So if somebody handed us like a nice bowl of candy or something good and nutritious for us, we can receive it. So we don't want to be reaching our hand back like this where it's weak and we can't hold that bowl. So we want to reach back so we can hold and accept that bowl of goodness and then push it forward. Other hand, be able to receive. So this exercise, like many other Qigong practices, we want to have a sense of fullness in the body. So not like an empty balloon moving around. We want to be soft, but we want to have a sense of fullness. So we can create that by just having that intention and awareness in our body. Okay, so if that all makes sense, let's just do a little simple routine. So begin in the ready position. Feet flat on the ground, knees slightly bent, lower back is flat. Relax your body. Relax your arms at your side. Relax your head. Feel as if you're suspended from the top of your head upwards, so you're elongated. And just stand here, relaxed, just for a few moments, and take a few deep natural breaths. Good, and relax. Now let's begin what's called the opening exercise. Breathing in as the hands come up and around. Breathe out as the hands come down the center, sinking your weight down. Breathing in, nice full breath. Breathing out, and relax as your hands come down the center of your body. Breathing in, imagine you're drawing in good, vibrant, healthy energy. Breathing out, releasing any tension, any stress, or any worries. Good, continue for 5 more. Good, last one. Breathing in, hands come out and around. Lungs are full, breathing out, hands come down the center. Now rolling the hands backwards, gently and gracefully bring one hand up in front of you. Reach one hand behind and push your fingers forward. Reaching around and forward. Reaching around, pushing the hand forward. Breathing in, breathing out. Try to make your movements as graceful as you can, as soft as you can. You want to have the combination of being very soft in your movement, but underneath it all, your body, your structure, your chi, your spirit is strong. Good, and continue on your own. Just move as fast or as slow as you would like to. Breathing in, remembering to turn at the waist, and breathing out, coming back to the center. Breathing in, turning at the waist as far as your comfort will take you. You don't need to push it, but you just want to create a sense of stability in the hips, in the back, and in the core. Good, 3 more. Breathing in. And last one, breathing in and out. And come back to that ready position. Now hands come in front of the body, come up the center, turn around, and big circle outwards. Hands come into the center, cross the wrists, come up the center, turn the hands out and around. It's called separating clouds. Just make 2 nice big circles. Take a nice big cleansing breath. Breathing in, release, breathing out. Good, 5 more, breathing in. Relax your body, relax your mind, release any tension that you're holding on in any part of your body. Release any worries that you have anywhere in your mind. Good, last one, breathing in and out. And slowly come back to the ready position, back to where we started. Hands at the side, arms gently relaxed, weight is sinking down, and just rest here for a moment. Just allow yourself to stop. And take a big in-breath and one opening exercise, breathing in and out. And you're all done. If you've enjoyed this style of Qigong, please come join the Communi Qi for a wide variety of Qigong routines that's ideal for beginners or if you already have some experience. The Communi Qi has convenient, simple Qigong practices that are safe, gentle, and effective to help you feel healthy and full of vitality. Come join us today. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our newsletter in the link below so we can notify you when we release new YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.